Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 25, 2020. Today's video is about Japanese pygmy woodpecker. The Japanese pygmy woodpecker, Yungipicus kizuki, is a species of woodpecker native to coniferous and deciduous forests in Russia, China, North Korea, South Korea, and Japan. With a length of about 140 mm, 5.5 in, its plumage is a dark greyish-brown, barred and blotched with white, with pale brown, streaked underparts. The male has a small red mark on the side of its nape, which the female lacks. It usually occurs in pairs or mixed species foraging flocks, searching on trees for invertebrates, such as spiders, caterpillars, ants and aphids, and berries. Breeding takes place in the spring, with the nest being in a hole excavated in a dead branch. This picture shows a Japanese pygmy woodpecker photographed in Sakai, in Osaka Prefecture, Japan. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.